Today our story is Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind, he had caught a bad chill. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the Cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and all the good boys. Santa called Pete on his cell phone. I'll do it, said Pete. And although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. Pete jumped in his minibus and started to roll. Road trip, cried Pete. First stop, the North Pole. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a tow, so he packed up the presents and told them to go. Then the minibus flew just like in a movie. Pete the cat cried, "This is totally groovy." There they go. I can do it, said Pete, and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all, at Christmas we give, so give it your all. As the children were sleeping all snug in their bed, Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. Straight down the chimney Pete flew in a dash, then back in his bus, quick as a flash. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. Oh, look, it says Abby down there. I wonder if it said Matthew up here. Santa's list was so big, and Pete felt so small, but at Christmas we give, so he gave it his all. Give it your all, give it your all, at Christmas we give, so we give it your all. Up there's Matthew's name. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out, just as quiet as a mouse. Then, right at the break of the new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the townsfolk were all celebrating. Thank you, Pete. This little cat says small is cool. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip, hip, hooray!" for our friend Pete the cat. I did it, said Pete, and although I am small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. The end. Merry Christmas.